The mining, the natural minerals, the mining department, or what we call the solid minerals of our nation, is far more important than the petroleum in terms of job creation. What the petroleum resources create jobs for the foreigners, mainly. The mining will create more jobs for the locals. We'll be talking out of youth not getting job. The mining can take care of most of our unemployment issues. But people in the mining field, it takes hundreds of thousands of people to develop mining fields across the whole nation. So we're not thinking outside the box yet, and we're not dealing with government as business. Government must be seen as business, and we should have a business mind to deal with things like this. And so if we have the old Nigeria Mining Corporation revived for whatever reason, or the law prescribing it brought back, it will help to commercialize the mining sector. Whether we like it or today, this mining sector, the solid minerals, are providing job, though illegally, to most of the youth, because these foreigners come there to mine these products and engage in our youth to do this job. So why can't we fine-tune it and make it better to create more jobs for our people and more revenues to Nigeria, to the Nigerian coffers? The problem of Nigeria is that we have a growing population that is constantly growing a geometrical progression, while the income is very static because of petroleum. So diversification of the economy should no longer be a national anthem, but should be a practical reality. Let's get it done, and it can be done. It can be done, and it can be done. But putting such a little amount of money in the solid minerals, what will it do? You can't even clear a field, so to say. And people will not take you serious until you demonstrate it. When we go into that field, then other foreigners will know that we've not seen it as a source of income. They will give way. But nature abhors vacuum. When you don't do it, people must do it legally or illegally. So I suggest that whatever we can do to help this sector of our economy, in the face of our economic situation, the better it is for Nigeria. And there's nothing we cannot find in Nigeria in terms of mineral, be it gold, be it columbine, silver, zinc, whatever it is, we have in quantum. And we have not even touched that area. So let's start mining. Let's start developing the solid minerals of our nation.